Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. SCADA tells you what is happening, but it rarely tells you what to do next. And in large solar portfolios, that difference matters more every year. Modern solar operations are generating more data than teams can realistically process manually. Static alarms and basic dashboards were never designed for today's operational complexity. Because when every site produces thousands of signals, the real issue is no longer data availability, it's operational prioritization. That's the gap ClearSpot's Agentic AI is built to close. SCADA systems are essential, but they operate primarily through thresholds and alarms, and that creates several limitations. Threshold-based alerts generate noise. Granularity is often too coarse to isolate root causes. Related failures appear disconnected, and operators spend significant time filtering false positives. In many cases, the truly important issue gets buried under alarm fatigue. The system reports symptoms, but not operational meaning. Agentic AI changes the model from monitoring to reasoning. Instead of evaluating one signal at a time, agents correlate multiple operational layers together. That includes SCADA data, inspection results, maintenance history, and financial impact. The result is context, not just an alert, but a ranked operational recommendation. The agents identify what matters first, estimate likely causes, and suggest next actions automatically. The biggest operational gain is time leverage. Teams stop spending hours interpreting dashboards manually. Instead, they receive targeted work lists tied directly to operational and revenue impact. That means maintenance resources are allocated based on economic priority, not simply whichever alarm appeared first. The goal is not more dashboards, it's fewer decisions that require manual triage. One of the most important points here is that Agentic AI does not replace SCADA, it extends it. Most operators already have functioning monitoring infrastructure, so the practical migration path is adding intelligence layers on top of existing systems. SCADA remains the telemetry foundation. The agents become the reasoning and orchestration layer. That means organizations can modernize incrementally without ripping out operational infrastructure already in place. To make this transition practical, we included the SCADA to Agentic AI Migration Guide with this episode. It outlines common architecture patterns, operational rollout strategies, and the workflows teams typically automate first. The guide is designed for operators, asset managers, and engineering teams evaluating next-generation monitoring systems. You can access the migration guide directly through the ClearSpot demo page. Just request the Agentic AI resource pack linked with this video. And if you want to see how agentic workflows operate on real portfolio data, schedule a live walkthrough with the team. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device, smarter decisions.